Hi, my name is Teacher Daniel, and today we are at the Model 4 Activity 2, Modifying Classroom Management Strategies. For my case study, I chose video 4, Elementary in Physical Class. I chose this video because I'm currently teaching the same age students and I'm planning to continue in the future. How did the video demonstrate the INTAX standard for this course, especially regarding developing a community of learners and a positive classroom climate? First of all, the teacher fostered a positive and safe classroom environment by greeting students warmly and implementing rules for respectful behavior, such routine as 1, 2, eyes on you. Also, teacher used visual aids, charts, and pictures. Teacher created opportunities for students to collaborate and encourage positive social interactions, collective learning, and collective reading. Also, he planned differentiated learning activities based on student needs. He practiced reading with the struggling student. And the teacher employed diverse strategies and techniques, instructional methods. He marked the letters with the different colors, numbered the words in the text. He used TPR and incorporated some games. How would I reinforce my norms and procedures and expectations for the same students? Um, okay, so at the beginning of the lesson, I would review some classroom routines. Uh, I would make my lesson more engaging. Um I would make it more student-centered, and I would let them speak more, asking them more simple, structured questions. Since this is a Korean ESL training center, it looks like a Korean ESL training school. So they are ESL students, and it's better to use yes/no options for them, and also giving them the answer options. For example, when we ask about the letters, what letter is it? Instead of waiting for the answer, we can give them the options, A or B. So the students can reply B. I wouldn't call the letters beginning, middle, and ending. I would call them first, second, and last because the words are shorter and it's easy to remember. Also, I would print all the charts, pictures, and other teaching aids bigger to let students see it better. I would write the words bigger on the board and with the better calligraphy. And I would ask the children to do the same. Um, Instead of asking one student what is the beginning sound, that's what he did one by one. I would ask them to give the answer in unison, all together. This would save lots of time, and this will help the struggling student to hear and see how others pronounce the word or the sound or the word. If there is a student who says the sound incorrectly, so I can practice with him individually later. Also, it's very important to use TPR in the training centers in Asia because uh, I noticed that they learn much more faster and better. And the last part that I would change is reading. He didn't use any games maybe because the video was cut. So there are many reading games. For example, one student, one letter, one student, one word, fast reading, slow reading, etc. Depends on the teacher's imagination. These are my references. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free. Sorry for more than 4 minutes.